Today, we will talk about how to start a sticker business. Let's have a look at the details. To start an online sticker business, the obvious thing you need to do is to have stickers to sell. But before we get into actually drawing out the stickers, there's a lot of logistics behind the scenes. That includes figuring out your target audience, what stickers you want to make, the type of materials you want to print your stickers on, or what the third party to use if you're outsourcing the printing, how you're going to deliver your product to the buyer, and what shipping materials you need. Here you will get to know everything to start the business. The first step is to choose your stickers. You must have clarity as to what kind of stickers you are willing to sell. Do you want to go with the regular ones available in the market? Or do you want to design unique ones? Here I will talk about the most trending stickers that you can consider. Kiss-cut stickers. Kiss-cut stickers usually have an additional edge around your design. It will protect your sticker well and be easy for you to peel off. Turning your sticker idea into custom kiss-cut stickers will promote your business, events, and brands better. Logo stickers. Turn the logo into a custom sticker to make a lasting impression of the brand. These can be handed over to customers as giveaways or can be stuck over things like cars, laptops, etc. for promotion. You can cut even the most intricate patterns and internal cuts on vinyl material in any shape and size. Clear stickers. Water and oil resistant stickers are widely used to promote business, window signage, or big events. Mostly printed on premium weatherproof vinyl, clear stickers can be die cut in any shape and can be UV coated to give more abrasion resistance. Minimalist stickers. Minimalist or abstract sticker design is a growing trend. Businesses are considering minimalism for their logo, cards, and print labels. Minimalist stickers are simple yet powerful. These stickers are perfect for laptops, phone cases, guitars, refrigerators, journals, etc. Die-cut stickers. These are precisely cut to the shape of your design and can be adhered to any smooth surface, indoors or outside. You can offer them in any size, shape, and quantity. Die-cut stickers are scratch, moisture, and sunlight resistant. The stickers offer endless customization possibilities, thereby you can include them in your offerings as they are suitable for business promotions as well as for personal branding. Stickers in vivid colors. Another type of sticker that you can consider is stickers with designs in bright or multiple colors. These stickers never go out of style. Here's a sticker with a hand horn style that creates an amazing visual effect. Photo stickers. Customers can turn their favorite photos into stickers and use them for promotional activities. Most photo stickers are made with vinyl material and can be pasted on mugs, wine bottles, lockers, laptops, the fridge, envelopes for invitations, etc. Additionally, they stick strong but remove clean, hence, can be one of the points to attract your customers. Bumper stickers. These are used to convey a message to a large number of people. Made of waterproof vinyl, every bumper sticker can be printed in full. The second step is how much does it cost to start a sticker business. If you are planning to start a sticker business, the costs are relatively low. This, of course, depends on if you decide to start the business with lean expenses or bring in a large team and spend more money. We've outlined two common scenarios for pre-opening costs of starting a sticker business and outlined the costs you should expect for each. The estimated minimum starting cost equals $8,007. The estimated maximum starting cost equals $58,797. The third step is to find your target audience. You will have to figure out who your target audience is. I'm bullet journaled and I follow a bullet journaling community on Instagram. There, I found a need for planner stickers, so I personally create stickers for planners. With my stickers, people can decorate their bullet journals, planners, regular journals, whatever, to make them more aesthetically pleasing while still being productive. The fourth step is to design stickers. There are no rules when it comes to sticker design. But, the easiest way to design these products from scratch is to use digital imaging software. There are plenty of tools to choose from on the market. Some creators swear by Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. The most important thing is that you're able to design high-quality art and save your files as JPEGs or PNGs. When designing stickers, keep intellectual property laws in mind. It might be tempting to include a popular character or design from a show, book, game, or even brand logos, but you have no legal right to sell stickers that use images or designs to which you have no copyright. So be careful what you include in your artwork, and ensure you have the full rights to everything you sell. The fifth step is to dropship stickers. Dropshipping is the simplest way to start a sticker shop today. Put simply, dropshipping is a business model where a third-party company takes care of the manufacturing, printing, and shipping of sticker products. Each time you sell a sticker, your dropshipping company will print, cut, and package the sticker, and then they'll send the order straight off to the customer. From the customer's perspective, it'll look like the product came straight from you, but all you have to do is design the sticker, sell the product, and handle any customer service inquiries along the way. The process is also entirely automated, so you don't have to forward orders manually, making it even easier for you. If you want to get started selling stickers as quickly and easily as possible, we recommend working with a dropshipper Printful or Guten. They're also printing experts, so your products will come out looking great. The sixth step is to make your stickers. Now we need to figure out how to turn our stickers into actual stickers. There are quite a few sticker shop owners who create the stickers and then send it to a third-party company for printing and dispatching. For me personally, I like to do it myself. I'm a very hands-on person. Pick your sticker paper. I have had Paperoo Studio for about a year and a half now, and I have run through quite a few different types of sticker paper. Ultimately, I have found and stuck with matte sticker paper from online labels because the quality is unlike any other. Choose your printer. Aside from the sticker paper, you also need to figure out the printer situation. Find an electronic cutting machine. I use a Cricut Explorer Air 2, but I don't think you absolutely need it to create stickers. They cost quite a bit of money to serve only one purpose. So if you don't have the funding for one, you don't need it. You can go in with just a pair of scissors and cut it out. It'll take a little more time, but it's not necessarily worth the investment. The seventh step is to sell your stickers. Sell stickers on Etsy. Etsy is a digital marketplace for people who sell vintage, handcrafted, and unique items. Plenty of small businesses and creative individuals sell on this platform. To get going with Etsy, create an account and start listing your products. There are no upfront fees besides a 20-cent listing fee per item, which means you can get started with Etsy very easily. Sell stickers on Shopify. If you want to launch your own sticker shop, start it with Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular and scalable e-commerce platforms. With it, you can create your own online store from scratch quickly and easily. Shopify comes with a wide range of features to manage your business and inventory, plus, you can extend its functionality further using the wide range of apps in the Shopify App Store. The advantage of launching your own store on Shopify is that you have complete control over it. Your profits are your own, you have complete control over your website's look and branding, and you can drive traffic to your own platform. However, this also means that all of the marketing is your responsibility, and you also shoulder more of the costs. Sell stickers on Redbubble. Redbubble is an online marketplace where illustrators and designers can upload their work, and Redbubble handles the production, shipping, and customer service. It's a fantastic option if you just want to sell sticker designs without getting involved in the other aspects of running a business like storing your own inventory, getting a sticker printer, or even interacting with dropshipping or printing companies. Sell your sticker designs on the creative market. If you're an illustrator, artist, designer, or digital creator in general, and you want to create sticker designs without printing them on any kind of product, there's also an option to just sell your digital design files. On marketplaces like Creative Market, you can sell sticker designs to other people or businesses who want to create and sell stickers. All you have to do is make the designs, upload a listing on Creative Market, and others can buy them. There's no printing or product making on your part, you simply create the designs. The eighth step is to decide on shipping. You need to figure out which shipping carrier to use when you're dispatching out your products. In the United States, I've found that USPS is the cheapest shipping carrier. They have a rate specifically for thin document parcels, which is great and super cheap. USPS also offers international shipping if you live outside of the United States. You just need to do the research to find the best option for you. As for packaging, I choose to use stay flat mailers instead of regular envelopes. I've found they prevent the stickers from bending. Quite a few sticker shop owners use regular envelopes to ship out their stickers. I just feel like when a buyer is buying my stickers, they're also buying the experience. I also wrap the stickers in tissue paper and include a freebie inside the package. I want to make sure they have a good experience and to thank them for supporting small businesses like mine. Get advice on setting up a dispatch station. The ninth step is to market your products. Make sure that you are marketing your product. You need to let people know that you created a product and you want to sell it. I feel that the best and most affordable way to market your product is social media. It's completely free. I make videos on YouTube so people can see the process of how these stickers are made and how I use it in my journal. I also take pictures of my stickers and I show how I use them in my planner, which I post on Instagram. I make sure to add it to my Instagram story and all my Instagram feeds. I always make sure to link back to my sticker shop so that people can purchase the stickers I make. Now I will tell you some tips and sticker business best practices. Offer a choice. Stickers are excellent collectible items. With so many available on the market, It's easy for customers to keep browsing until they find exactly what they're looking for. Sometimes you can secure a purchase just by offering a few variations of the stickers you're selling, for example, different color sets with the same theme. Not to mention, your store will look a lot better if it has a wide variety of stickers available. Adopt seasonal trends. Don't miss out on new sticker trends or seasonal events. Hitting occasions like Valentine's Day, Easter, Christmas, Halloween, weddings, birthdays, and more will increase your chances of securing sales. Understand your target audience. Make sure that your products are actually what customers want to see. Once you've identified your sticker niche, spend some time in communities that use stickers like yours to find out what consumers want. You'll more quickly be able to identify trends and bestsellers that could inspire your next product idea. Invest in marketing. To get your sticker shop off on the right foot, invest in the marketing process. That means learning how to optimize your product listings SEO to get more eyeballs on your stickers. It also means engaging on social media and actively promoting your products. You could even consider giving away the occasional freebie to start a mailing list. There are tons of ways to market yourself online, so do some research and throw yourself in. Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.